Harambee Stars rakore gi tim mar Gambia saa 10 odhiambo ma kawuono mar manyo otiko mar dhi e World Cup. Harambee Stars obago ne Gambia tugo e alap ma Kasarani ka geno mar Stars pod en ng'ado otiko kata odoko ni gintiere kama tek. Kenya nyaka sani omako thuolo mar 4 e chung' margi e Group F gi point 6 ka Gabon nitiere thuolo mokwongo kiluwogi kod tim mar Ivory Coast.
We want to fight hard until the last group game and hopefully get to the maximum of 18 and see what happens there. But apart from that, also we have to build a team for the next coming assignments as well. And
the intentions is really to give it everything we have. Like I said, it is a kind of impossible task at the moment when you look at how far ahead the front wolf pack are, but for us it's just about every match at a time and doing the best that we possibly can to try and collect maximum points, and you never know